guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to take you through a little cleanup, deep clean of my master bedroom. It's the part 2 of the master bedroom makeover series. I figured I'd break it down into 3 different parts. The declutter, now I'm going to do the deep clean, and next we're going to do the fun part, which is the decorate. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you'll see when the next video comes up of a little bit of decorating. I'm sure there'll be stuff in between, but for today we're going to do a deep clean of this bedroom. And I don't know why I wore a black shirt because there's a ton of dust in here. A lot. I'm surprised I don't have allergies, to tell you honestly. So, come on guys, let's see what we can get done.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no.
Alright guys, so right here is more clothing that I had found. I was going through some stuff in my attic and I found a bunch of bell-bottom jeans, or not bell-bottom because that's really 70s, but more of the like the flare jeans and the boot cut. There you go, boot cut jeans. And I found them. I don't know that I'm necessarily going to wear them again. And these are a few of my husband's shirts here. This is some home decor stuff that I just have for projects that I'm doing, as well as some bins that I bought from IKEA for some projects that I'm doing. So I'm going to put this stuff over here. I'm going to put this stuff in a bag so that this can go down to the Goodwill and get out of my room that's taking up too much space. So let's get this all bagged up.
No more, we're done now. No words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. We're done now,
guys, in the comment section down below, let me know which room you think in your house is the most neglected. I'm realizing right now by far my bedroom is probably the most neglected room in my house. I have redecorated most of the rooms in my house 2 or 3 times at least, and my bedroom has always stayed the same. It's kind of the catch-all for the paperwork that we wind up putting in a bin that we save for the year, but it sits in the corner. I don't have any pictures up on my walls in my bedroom, and I haven't fully decorated my bedroom in, oh gosh, I'm going to probably say the whole time that I've lived in my house, and I've lived in my house for, I think it's been about 20 years now or at least 18 that I know that I've lived in this house. And I painted my bedroom multiple times, but I've never gotten to the point where I put up decorations and just make it kind of like a sanctuary. And I think that's what I want to do with my bedroom. I just wanted to make it peaceful, calming, and just a place that I can just go unwind, relax, and binge watch some of my bad shows that I love to watch. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here.
I am amazed by the amount of dust that I see floating around right now on the camera as I'm watching the playback to do this voiceover. I can't. Oh gosh, it's so bad.
Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to give in. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty body lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty body lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
So this is the next day. I decided to take care of some final touches that I didn't finish, which is the blinds here, getting rid of the dust in the corners, and taking down some cords that I had hanging up as well.
Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go.
So I'm finally getting around to taking down the cord cable that is around my door here. I, at the beginning of the year, went over our budget and decided that our cable bill was just getting way too out of hand. And by ditching our cable and just using our internet, and we do have Netflix, which we've had for years, and when we signed up with our internet, they gave us a free year of Amazon. So all of our shows that we want to find are usually on Netflix and Amazon. So that's a pretty big savings there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's see what's going to come up next. Bye guys!